everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily fix your TikTok message problem on your TikTok app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just now dive into our video now. So go to your TikTok and you will simply just search somebody that you would like to text, and as you can see, in order for you to text that person you must follow. If I tap on this follow, then finally I can send a hi or a message option over there. If I don't follow that person, I won't be able to. So if you're getting a problem with that could be the reason. You must follow each other over there. And the other thing, if you're getting problem directly messaging that person, then simply just you will go to your profile and then you will tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner, go to settings and privacy, and you will scroll down and then you will see this option called free up space. Simply tap on it and here you will see all of the cache, data, and draft. Simply tap on this clear and again reconfirm. This will clear all the unnecessary storage from your TikTok app and will make it work a little better as well. And then other thing that you can do, if it's still not working, then you will simply go to your Play Store and check if your app is up to date or not. You will simply search the app and here you can see in my case my app is updated and it says open instead of update option over there. And the other thing that you can do is simply just check if your network is good, guys, because if your network is not so good, that could be one of the reasons. So yeah, this is it, and this is how you can solve your message problem on your TikTok app. If you have other concerns regarding your messages, then do leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.